Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 21st, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar, overall on the monthly, I am definitely still very bullish. I still think this is going to continue the trend on the monthly. I still think it's most likely eventually going to go up and take out these highs, probably end up all the way up to one of these higher Fibonacci extension levels. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1. I'm definitely still looking at this as an expanding flat wave 2, which I think ends right here. Higher high wave B, lower low wave C definitely fits the characteristics of an expanding flat. If that is true, then that means that this is a wave 1 and that we are either in the wave 2 or the wave 2 is possibly over. I could kind of see either scenario at this point. I could see that the wave 3 might be over and it might just keep on going up, or I could see that it might actually go down and make a more proper looking ABC correction before it goes up. Either way, I do think we are going to go up for a wave 3. The question is whether we're already in that wave 3 or not. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I mean, it still looks to me like this could be a trend. So I'm still a little suspect about this move up right here because it looks like a trend. It looks like 3 waves up. Looking at all the dollar pairs, a lot of the dollar pairs to me do look like they may more likely go down and take out these lows, and this would actually be an A, a B, and a C. But like I was saying on the weekly time frame, I mean, this could already be in a wave 3, and if it is already in a wave 3, it might just keep on trending up. So hopefully we'll get some confirmation one way or the other whether we really are in this wave 3 or whether we're still in that ABC correction of wave 2. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. This move up to me does look kind of suspect for some reason. I mean, we do have a very nice clear break of structure, so the trend is technically up right now, and this move up right here could be just like a wave 1, and this move down is just a correction to that, and it might just keep on going up. And if it does, I think that will help confirm the wave 3 scenario on the higher time frames. But there's definitely something about this move that looks very suspicious to me because I do think there is a possibility on the higher time frames that this could just keep on going down. So keep an eye on this thing for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, we definitely got a break of structure. We definitely got an end of a trend. So what I would do now is I would expect this to make some sort of a 3-way pattern. Now, if it's an A, B, C, then it will make 3 waves down. Hold on. If it's either an A or a 1, or a B or a 2, then you would think that it would go down one more time. And I would definitely try to get a short at the end of this wave B or 2, and then if it goes down, makes a wave C, turns back up, I would exit my shorts and go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So that way, at this point, we don't really have to know whether we're looking at an A, B, C or a 1, 2, 3 because we can go short at the end of a wave B. And if it's a wave C, then it'll turn back up. If it's a wave 3, it'll just keep on making lower lows, lower highs. So while we're learning by going short at the end of this wave B or 2, we will learn and earn at the same time whether it's a C, which a C would look like this and just keep on going up, or whether it's a 3, which a 3 will just continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So learning and earning is definitely the best way to go, in my opinion, to figure out what it is that we're looking at next. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.